In today's video, I will walk you through how to make a walking animation in Canva. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. After your blank project opens, go to the Elements section on the left side of the screen and search for Street. Then click on Graphics to view the graphic results. Choose a street graphic that fits the style you want for your animation. Once you add it to the page, resize it so it stretches across the screen and fills the bottom area like a road or sidewalk. Next, go back to Elements and type walking into the search bar. Press Search, then hover over the filter options and select Animated Graphics. This will show animated walking characters that already have movement built into them. You can pick any character you like, depending on the style you want for your project. Once you add the character onto the page, resize it and position it on top of the street graphic. Take a moment to place it where it looks natural before moving to the animation step. Now click on the character, then select Animate at the top menu and choose Create an Animation. This allows you to control the movement path manually. Hold Shift on your keyboard and drag the character toward the right side of the screen. Holding Shift helps keep the movement straight across the page. After placing it on the other side, click on Steady to keep the movement smooth and consistent. For the next movement, click the animated graphic again, hold Shift on your keyboard, and drag the character toward the left side of the screen instead. Then click Steady once more so the second movement matches the first animation style. At this point, preview the animation to see the final result. You should now have a walking animation where the character moves naturally across the street background. You can repeat the same process using different backgrounds, different animated characters, and different movement directions to create more walking animations inside Canva.